I just can't believe there are so many people having some sort of traditional 9-to-5 jobs where they are selling away their time to an employer in order to get a salary in return. In this old approach, you have very little time left when you get home to be with your loved ones and do the things you really want to do. And sadly, this means that many people are unfulfilling their lives working on jobs they don't like or even hate. Thankfully, there are better alternatives out there, like building your dream life, running your own online business. I remember the moment when I realized about all of this myself thanks to the free video series that I'll send to you if you click the button below. I was a manager in a logistics company and I had a good salary, but I wasn't fulfilled and I hated to spend so much time away from my wife and 2 kids due to endless schedules, constant business trips, and long and productive meetings. I was stressed out and I hadn't slept well in a while. So one evening I was watching videos on YouTube about personal development when I happened to see a video with a Swedish guy who was in a similar situation than mine and had also grown tired of all of this and decided to make a change. So he had started up his own online business instead, and as long as he had his laptop with him and an internet connection, he could bring his business with him wherever he went, having his website selling products for him on his behalf in an automated way 24/7. And what he did for me was so nice. He said he wanted to help me to do all of this myself. So he sent me a video series for free where his mentor Stuart, the founder of a great digital education platform, explained exactly how anyone with the right mindset could start up their own online business from scratch. I watched the videos and I'm so grateful I did, because that video series changed my life forever. It was the beginning to all of this. Today, I enjoy a job that I love, that makes me feel fulfilled and that provides me with more income than ever. In addition, with it, I help other people to focus their lives on what they really love and makes them happy. I work with my laptop with total freedom and flexibility to dedicate the time I want to my family, fulfilling my passion to travel the world with them and to practice my favorite sports and hobbies. Now, I am at a point in my own journey where I want to do the same thing to others that my Swedish friend did for me. So if you're watching this video and you want to learn how to do this yourself and how to start your own online business from scratch, I'm more than happy to send you the same video series I got as well, for free of course. That's the way I got it. You can click on the link you see below this video and just have a look around and enter your contact details, and I will send you immediately the video series of my mentor Stuart to your email inbox. If you're someone who is open to learn some new things and put in some work and effort into making this change from trading time for money for someone else to work yourself online instead, I strongly recommend you to just click on the link and have a look at the videos yourself and decide if this is something for you or not. I mean, it's for free, so there's no risk in just checking it out. That's what I did, and honestly, has been one of the best decisions I've ever made.